Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove supervision on Instagram. So if you are supervising or you are supervising a Teams account and you want to remove the supervision, simple way to do it. So first thing first, you have to open up your Instagram account, your Instagram app, right? And this should be your account because you're the one supervising the Teams account. So you click on these three horizontal lines, then you scroll until you see Family Center. So you click on it right here. So this is Supervision for Students account. So once you are here, you're going to see the account. Maybe there are multiple. All you need to do is click on those three horizontal lines and and you're going to see where it says remove. So you can just remove it. But because I've not supervised anyone and I sent notification to a Teams account, I can't remove because I'm yet to supervise. So that's actually how to just remove. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. This is my next video. Bye.